guys, it's Naya. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. I hope this will be a very amazing year for all of us. Secondly, let's get into this hair. I just want to give you guys a quick little review, so please bear with me, and then I'll show you guys how I installed this hair. I tried to do something different, you know, for the New Year's. Let me know. Automatically, I knew I was gonna love it. This is 24 inches, right? Honey, this is giving 26. This is where it stops up to, and this is the front of me, so you already know the back is going to be longer. I don't know if you guys know that when you order longer hair, the ends tend to be just a little bit thinner. Definitely not the case. I would have to cut the ends because it would just be out here embarrassing me. Look at the ends on this hair. I don't need to cut anything. It is smooth, it's shiny, it's silky. I am obsessed. I'm doing this thing that annoys me. I'm just running my fingers through my hair, but I love this hair so much. I mean, look at the shine. Look how silky it is. So I'm gonna comb the hair and let's see if anything comes out. From the root all the way down to the bottom, I'm gonna comb it. So I did this side. Nothing. I don't even gotta look. I know it's nothing, y'all. I need to get with it or get lost because Alipearl is definitely my top 3. I'm gonna see if I can turn around and show you guys the back real quick. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Like, this is actually 26 inches. Yo, I'm not even joking. This is 26 inches. I'm done talking. Let's jump right into the video, and make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling this hair. So I don't know if you guys realize this, but lately I have been doing the bald cap method. This is now a method that I prefer. If you guys want a more detailed video, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment so that I can do that for you guys. But this method is 10 times better. But anyway, this is the hair fresh out of the box, and you guys, I mean, look at the hair. Like, look at my face. I was so excited running my fingers through it. There was no shedding, no tangling, no snapping. Like, I mean, just look at it. The knots were small enough so that when you bleached it, they were going to be perfect. Lace frontal. So I'm going to bleach these knots, come back and show you guys. But yeah, it was giving very much Pocahontas. Like, as soon as I put this wig on, I already knew. I was like, yup, this the one. This is the one. So anyways, this is the hairline. I did bleach it. I did pluck it. I also have a new bleaching method because the way I was doing it before just wasn't working out for me. I would always get it on the hair, but I have a method that works for me now. But anyway, this part is extremely sped up because this is nothing that we don't know. You know, cut the lace, easy peasy, 1 2 3. This is an HD lace, and I see why these hairstylists be feeding to do HD lace only, because look at this. Like, this is a piece of lace that I just cut off, right? You see it against my hand from far away and close up. Like, come on. So I didn't need to do no makeup or anything. I just glued it down and boom. Again, extremely sped up because we already know what to do here. You put the glue down, and this is the way I always install my wigs. I like to pull a piece forward from the hairline just to directly align it with the glue. This way it's easier for me. And so I'm just going to do that around the perimeter of my head. Then I'm going to tie it down with an elastic band for about a minute or 2, and we're going to see what the next steps are.
I can't fight the sound. I hit solid ground. He says I'm wasting time. I know he's right somehow. So what do I do now? Because